Hey y'all, and welcome to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Today we're making Velveeta Shells and Cheese. First off, you'll want to put some water in your pot. Place that pot on a stove and add your salt to your water. Now bring the water in the pot to a rolling boil. This is the contents of your box when you open it. You have your noodles and you have a packet of Velveeta cheese sauce here. Now you'll want to set that cheese sauce to the side. Now we're going to add our noodles now that our water is boiling well. And give those noodles a really good stir to ensure that they are not sticking to each other. And this is about how you want your water to boil while you're making your noodles. This is what your noodles look like once they're done. Now we're going to drain our noodles in our colander here. Try to make sure you don't remove every single bit of the water because the little bit of water helps. So we're putting our pot back on our stove eye, and now we're going to cut open the cheese sauce packet here. And we're opening up the entire side of that package so you can begin to squeeze out all of that cheese sauce from the bottom to the top. You don't want to miss out on any of this good cheese. It's so good, y'all. So now we're going to give this a really good stir. And this is what your shells and cheese looks like once you've stirred it up really well. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics. And if you did, please hit that like button and please do consider subscribing. And thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye-bye now.